The quantitative biology theme within the Institute for Life Sciences aims to bring together techniques from the mathematical and the engineering and the physical sciences and apply them to problems in the life sciences in order to gain a deeper and a better understanding of these very, very complicated systems. Modern cell biology experiments, for example, produce very, very large amounts of data, and the data is extremely complicated to understand. So what we're doing is developing new methods, new computational methods, new mathematical methods to better understand these data sets, and by so doing to extract more, a deeper understanding of the biological problems. My research focuses on stem cells, and stem cells are found throughout development and throughout the adult body as well, in all different kinds of tissues, and they're the cells which are responsible for orchestrating tissue growth and tissue healing. So they're very, very potent, very, very powerful cells, and we're interested in better understanding how they work. And we use a combination of experiments in the lab, and we combine those experiments in the lab with mathematical and computational routines. So we write down equations to try and better understand the data that we get from the lab. And really the aim is to firstly understand how the cells work under normal circumstances, and also how they are affected by disease and aging and that kind of thing as well. One of the reasons that we're interested in this is that modern experiments produce a large amount of data. So this could be gene expression data or protein expression data, but these data sets are vast and they're very, very complicated. So to make the most of that data, we need to develop new computational methods, new mathematical methods to understand that data and to learn from it. So one of the things we're trying to do is to integrate the design of new methods into the experimental design. This work is fundamentally interdisciplinary since it combines experimental techniques with computational mathematical techniques. And the Institute for Life Sciences is fundamental to this work since it draws together researchers from across the university, from a variety of different backgrounds, and it allows us to share our ideas, share our expertise, and provide a forum for taking this work forward. So by background, I'm a mathematician, although I've worked in biomedical research for a long time. And I think that this actually really helps because it allows me to bring a different perspective to these very, very complicated problems. And it's the combination of these different ways of viewing the same problem that is helping us to really better understand how these cells behave. So the long-term aim of this work is to combine all of these different perspectives, all of these different methods to better understand human health. And by gaining this deeper, more detailed quantitative understanding of human health, ultimately we would like to improve human health. So apply all of these methods to designing better treatments and better ways of dealing with patients as individuals based upon all of this data that we're producing.